You notice this plant from the nursery has got some broken branches, and we can prune these out, and you'll notice this makes this one shorter. We take all these broken branches off, cut them at about 1/4 of an inch from the stem, and you notice this one here I cut about 1/4 of an inch above a bud. These buds will break and fill out this area. If half of this plant was gone, I would pick another plant, but this one is okay because it's got a nice radiation of stems coming out, and we cut off the broken branches, and there's still enough branch left to fill in the area that is broken off.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.